This is topic C on page 130, inserting a table of contents. Inserting an index enables the reader to find specific terms or subjects in a long document. Another helpful reference table you commonly see in documents is a table of contents. The table of contents is a comprehensive list of topics in the document. In this topic, you will insert a table of contents in the document. Most readers don't have time to read every book or report cover to cover. The table of contents helps the reader quickly find the topics they want without leafing through the whole document. It can also give the reader an idea of what major topics are covered in the text. Like other reference tables in Word, the table of contents remains up to date whenever the document's text or pagination changes. A table of contents, or abbreviated as TOC, is a list of headings with corresponding page numbers. When the table of contents is generated, any text formatted using the built-in heading styles is automatically included in the listing. Word indents the headings based on the heading style of the text. So here in my example document, I have some headings. You can see history of house salvage has been formatted with the heading 1 style, locations with heading 2 as a subtopic. And if I scroll down, materials stocked is formatted as heading 1. And then all of these, actually I wanted these as heading 2. So let me go ahead and change those. Okay, these are heading 2. So those are subtopics of material stocked, formatted as heading 2, and then we have sources of new and recycled as heading 1. So I can make a page in the beginning of my document, again, so people don't have to leaf through every specific page. They can just jump to a specific section of the document. So they use those headings that are formatting in any of the heading styles to form a index, so to speak, not the index that we just covered in the previous, but a reference page so they know where to locate those specific sections. So to do that, of course, you have to have your headings formatted in those heading styles. Then we can go up to our References tab, Table of Contents command group, and here we have a Table of Contents drop-down. We have some built-in styles, Automatic Table 1, Automatic Table 2, and Manual Table. So if I did Automatic Table 1, you can see it took all of those headings that I formatted, and you can see all of the heading 1s are listed on level 1 with the page number, and indented beneath that are the subheadings, or those formatted in style 2, such as location and all of these materials. If you don't want to use one of the built-in styles, just undid that to take it away, you can do a custom table of contents. So this brings us to our second tab here. And again, I told you these windows are going to look very similar. So you have your preview. You can choose to show page numbers or not. Maybe you just want the headings displayed. Right align page numbers. If you have that activated, you have the option of choosing a tab leader. Your format again, and how many levels you want to display. So that all depends on how many heading styles you have applied. So we only had 2, so we can choose to only show 2. Or we can always only do the main headings in heading 1 and click OK to add. So now you can see it excluded all of those subtopics, the materials, the locations, and it just showed our main topics on the pages that they're displayed on. Okay, but it's very important that you have those headings, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3 styles applied to the headings in your document in order to create this. Now, let's say I deleted my index heading. If I try to click in here to delete this is something that people always get wrong on the Geometrics practice test. This table of contents is kind of treated as one individual entity. So I can't go in here and delete this index heading. What I have to do is go down to the actual heading in the document, select that and delete it. Then I would go back up to my table of contents, and you can see it's still displayed there. On your References tab in your Table of Contents command group, you have to choose Update Table, and now you can see Word will remove that section for you. So always either add or delete in your actual document, and then go up to Update the table, and Word will take care of the rest from here for you.
Your next video will be Activity 6.3 on page 133.